find the equation that passes through this point, there's our point, and is perpendicular to this line. Perpendicular tells us we are going to use m equals 3/4, not the slope we see there, because we want to use the negative reciprocal of the given slope. And therefore we're going to have y minus y1, I'm going to rewrite that formula again, equals m times x minus x1, the point slope formula. And this will become y minus 2 equals 3/4 times x minus a negative 6, that becomes x plus 6. We're now going to distribute on the right hand side of the equation. That will give us y minus 2 equals 3/4 x plus, and that's going to be 18/4, which will reduce to 9/2, so plus 9/2. We now want to isolate the y and add 2 to each side, but on the right we're going to treat that as a 4/2. 2 over 1 is the same as 4/2, and we want a common denominator to add with. So we will have y equals 3/4 x plus 13/2 as our equation. Now this page had 5 patterns on it, and I personally write the word gold at the top of the page here, because this right here is going to be a sheet of gold for you as you're working your exercises, because it's got the 5 different patterns on it. In problem A, you were given the slope and the y-intercept. In pattern B, you were given a slope and a point. In pattern C, you were given 2 points. In pattern D, you were given a point and a parallel clue. And in problem E, or pattern E, you are given a point and a perpendicular clue. Those are the 5 different patterns, and I'm sure your teacher is going to test you on all of those patterns on your test for this chapter.